Ah, welcome to Wayne's Weird World. Ah, this is not the way my bee veil is supposed to be. Ah, God, it hurts. I have no idea how many times I was stung. Shit, there's bees everywhere. Bloody hell. Ah, crap. Ah. Oh, another one. Shit. God, once I get in there, there's trouble. I have no idea how many times I've been stung. All I know is that it hurts. They got in, I tripped, moving a beehive that had fallen over. I don't know what my face looks like. There's bees everywhere. 2.5 weeks without a drop after blowing my knee. And then what did I do today? When I backed away from the hive after tripping, God, get off me! Oh, I can hear them buzzing. Shit. Pennyroyal fly whisk or bee. They're everywhere. Bloody hell. Look at them caught up in this. Cheers. My nose is running, my face hurts, my neck hurts, my wrists hurt. I don't know how they got in there. I don't even know if I should risk putting my hand in my pocket for a tissue because there might be bees in there. Hopefully, here in the greenhouse, all the bees are out there and I haven't had them follow me in here except whatever's crawling around in my veil. Oh, cheers. I've got a sneaking suspicion my face is going to blow up like a bloody balloon. It sure feels like it. Better keep these handy because there might be another one flying around. I wasn't wearing my contacts, I was wearing my glasses. Shit, I can hear one. God, bloody hell. Son of a bitch. Flagellation. Waha! Man, this is crazy. This is absolutely crazy stuff. Because my knee's not good. I picked up the hive after moving the base to put it on the new position on the base. And then moving, I tripped. I had to sit it down fairly solidly. I hadn't been able to find my smoker. I put it away someplace safe, I'm sure. Fuck that. So they all came up in my face. And I'm not sure whether I tore it when I was moving the hive or tore it when they came up in my face or tore it when I stumbled. But by God, they took advantage of that torn veil. I reckon I've got more than a dozen stings on my face. Look at the size of that hole. By God, they came through there pretty damn quick. Well, I guarantee I'm going to have to fix this before I go out and put new frames in there in a week or two, once they settle down. And I'm sure as hell better find that smoker, because they were not happy. Oh. They were not happy. I was going to go off and do some shopping this afternoon, but right now I think I'm going to have a cold shower. Dig in my cupboard. I have some antihistamines. I don't know if it's going to do any good. It's going to swell like buggery anyway. At least I didn't get any around my throat. The last time I had some bad stings were around my throat, and it was really swelling up, getting to the point where it's hard to swallow. Next worst situation is it gets hard to breathe. And thankfully, I don't suffer from anaphylactic shock. At least I don't think so. This is not a fun day. Oh well. So I think I'll sit back and enjoy my afternoon in the greenhouse. Do some of these little jobs. I don't know. Everything was going well up until I stumbled and had to put the box down heavily. And it's only the lid, one super, and one brood box. But they were all full. Absolutely chockers. Which means it was heavy. And not wanting to strain my knee, I'm moving very gingerly rather than smoothly and comfortably. And all went pear-shaped from there. Cheers. I don't know. Have a look. See what you can see. I reckon if I don't have my eyes swelling shut, I'll be lucky. Anyway, that's it. My knee is very sore. Once again, that's it. Wayne's Weird World. Cheers. See you next time.